Hello everyone from the Willow House Witch. I have a quick flip through of a small journal here. It's the Herbs, Flowers, and Plant Magic Journal. There's a little clip here that can be placed anywhere in the book with a couple of dangles, a little flower charm, and a piece of aventurine. And then the book is bound across the top, so it's a little bit of a different setup. Kind of clever. A little pocket here with a journaling card. Another little journaling card here. These would also be great for putting photos on or doing your own collage work. A little envelope here to put a sample in. Lots of stamps of herbs and plant matter. A couple of little slips for journaling, writing down your notes. Belly band with a journaling card tucked underneath. More journaling cards, tuck spots. These echo dyed pages I made with plants from my own garden. There are willow tree dyed pages in here. Our rose bush was part of that process as well, and then several other trees and plants throughout the yard. Here's another little tuck spot with a little journaling card in it. And a little bookmark in a tuck spot. These pages have plenty of space for jotting down notes and sketches when you're out in the field or out gathering herbs and plants. This is a little sample of dried fern, and then just a little label card there for that. Lots of these pages have these little ribbon tabs on them. There's another little tuck spot here, little envelope to put samples in. Another bookmark. You could actually journal in the back of that one. A sample of chrysanthemum with a little label card there as well. Little tuck spot with a tiny journal card behind it. Another belly band with a place to jot your notes. And another tuck spot with a journaling card. I just love the colors of these echo dyed pages. They are just, it's incredible the hues that come out of that process. Here's another little envelope to tuck samples into. More echo dyed pages. An envelope. A bookmark with a little bit of space on the back. This is also a place where you could tuck something small on the other side of that little tuck spot if you prefer. And here is a flip up, and then 1, 2, 3 little journaling cards. Another belly band with a couple of journaling spots. And finally, a little tuck spot on the back cover with a couple of journaling cards in it. And there you have it, the herbs, flowers, and plant magic. You can find this on my Etsy shop, and I'll leave the information for it in the box below. Thank you. Bye.